Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, we have another Dooney Bourke unboxing. I do not have my box cutter, so I am using my super sharp scissors to open this particular box so that we can see what's inside. And it's taking a little longer, but it shouldn't be too bad. And you all, if you are watching this video and you are not subscribed, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Alrighty, so I have my packing slip here. And I see something that looks pinkish. Or is it fuchsia? Oh, y'all. Ooh. Okay, y'all. Let me move this box out of the way. Y'all, this bag, I have been stalking this bag. And Dooney Bourke must have known that I was stalking the bag because they took it off the website for like 24 hours. Both websites. They took it off of Dooney.com and they took it off of IOD. And the only place that I could find it was on QVC, but it was not in Florentine. So I waited. And they put it back on there. And when it came back on there, it was on sale. I don't remember if this was part of that. Like I said, I don't know if it was a glitch sale or what. I don't know if it was part of that one or the one that came right after it. But it went on sale. So, y'all, this is a Florentine Lily bucket in the color fuchsia. Looks like this is 34 of 70. So this one is from 2023, November of 2023. So I have a good feeling about this one, you all. This one is in fuchsia, which is a beautiful, to me, it's a very rich, hot pink. A little bit darker, but, and this is the hang tag for it. So this bag is perfect for October, for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I will surely use that hashtag in this video, and any other hashtags that come up for October, I will include them in this as well. But y'all, I wasn't sure which color to get in this bucket, but I figured that I could not go wrong with fuchsia. Okay. So as you know, with the lock, the logo lock, it does rotate. So it has the duck on one side with the 1975, and then the other side says Dooney Bourke. Let me close it back and give you a close-up of this leather. Oh, it looks like it turned red when I brought it closer. So I'll keep my distance. The stitching is gold. And y'all, this is so smooth. Look at the feet. Who does not love a very pretty fuchsia bag? And a bucket bag at that. And I will try to give you a good view of it. Oh, hold on just a moment. Minor technical difficulties, but we got it. Okay, y'all. So I'm wanting for you all to see the full view of this bag. I think that is in full view. I think you all can see that beautifulness. It does have my favorite, or one of my favorites. It might be the favorite. The equestrian strap. And I really have to be careful cutting this off because y'all know how particular I am about Florentine. So what I'm going to do is probably, oh, I know what I can do. I'm going to unbuckle it and then just slide the plastic off so I don't have to put scissors close to it. So let me do that now. Pull it down some more. There we go. That's a way around it, y'all. Easy peasy. Okay, but I was saying, you all, I've been looking at this bag. I saw some on eBay. I saw them on QVC. QVC only ended up having pebble grain. And, of course, with pebble grain, it was with any color you got. It had brown trim. They had a pretty coral one that I was looking at. But it did not look like it was the same, I hate to say quality, but it did not look at the same quality as the Florentine, the full Florentine one. So I did not get it. And literally probably the next day, if not that night, is when this one went on sale on IOD. I'm not sure if they're back on the Dooney site as of yet, but I believe they're still on IOD. If I didn't show the tag, it does say Lily Bucket and Fuchsia. I gave you a pretty good close-up of the strap. This is the back side of it. And it is fuchsia through and through, y'all. Okay, so now we can look inside. It looks flawless, y'all. It looks really good. So let's see what's going on the inside. I see, y'all see what I see? It's over there from 2023, it better be. So, this is a deep bag. Very, very pretty. All red interior. The Dooney Bourke fuchsia leather patch there. And zipper. Registration card. Deep pocket. Slip pocket on the front with the leather trim as well. You have a little bit of fuchsia leather on the key leash. You saw this good old authentication tab label as well. And then on the front side of it, 2 slip pockets, one smaller than the other. So that's the close-up of the inside. And I will probably try to put in the measurements from online, but I will do some quick measurements so you all can see the size of this bucket bag. This beautiful fuchsia bucket And it looks like it'll stand up okay with nothing being in it. And my measuring tape here. And this should be easy to pair items with also. See if I have my little... Oh, I forgot. Y'all, this is going to be cute. Oh, I still have my little cosmetic cases down here. Let me put my measuring tape right here. And y'all, this is going to be cute with either the hydrangea in blue or even the black one, especially since it's going into the fall season. Either one. I really like that probably with the blue, unless that's more springtime. Either one, but I thought that those look cute. Which one y'all think looks best, the black or the blue hydrangea with it? But yeah, that's gonna be pretty. Okay, so the height itself is, it does have a dip in the middle, so I'll probably have to measure that. I'll measure it from the middle. So from the middle to the top, it is, I would say that's 11 inches, 10 3/4 maybe, or 11 inches. And then on the sides, I'm going to say that that is, I'll give it 12 inches there. And then the base across the bottom, since it is more narrow at the bottom, that is 10 inches at the bottom. So 10-inch base, and then the width is I would probably say 6-inch base. So this is a good size bucket bag. It can absolutely hold a lot. You can carry it with the lock latched or unlatched and kind of rest it inside of the bag like that. But of course, for added security, you can latch it there and on either side. I think I like this side better with the all gold. That probably would have been really cute, y'all, if they would have made this in fuchsia too, fuchsia and gold instead of the white. But I think either one looks good. But that's it, you all. This is my unboxing of a very beautiful fuchsia bag for Pinktober, or for the month of October, and all of the hashtags. Like I said, I will include them in the description for this video. I believe another hashtag is pink for DJ King, so I will include that in the video as well. And I'll double check to see if Pinktober is being used also. So you all, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, subscribing. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Comment, let me know if you have a lily bucket. If you do, let me know what color you have. And if it's Florentine, if it's Pebble Grain, I believe it's another leather. I can't think of the name of it, but there is another type of leather as well that the lily bucket comes in. So let me know, you all. And I look forward to reading you all's comments also. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you all in the next video. Have a very wonderful day.